Good afternoon to you folks there at Moody Plumbing. This is Melissa, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would she be doing this and what's in it for her? Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who an expert is and who an expert isn't. I have found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of things that they can do to impact their businesses has resulted in some of those businesses still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Melissa, so please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take what I've shown you and tackle it for yourself, well, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to go over is content. As you can see, I'm on your website here. You need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 150 words, so you fall far below that. We're going to pop over here to Rescue Plumbing. They're more on par with that 1,500. They're close to it. We pop over to Bathkey Plumbing. They fall below that 1,500 themselves. They're at 750 to 800. And Good Plumbing, they also fall far below that 1,500 as well. However, they still are outranking you. And I'm going to show you why here in just a few seconds. Every month, people are searching for plumbers in Chicago 400 times. And they're looking for emergency plumbers 1,900 times, which you miss out on by not being number 1. I popped over here to this free tool that I use, SEO Quake. It's free. You guys can go grab it for yourselves if you'd like. And it shows what your site is actually ranking for. These are the keywords that they are ranking for. Your top 5 are plumbing, Moody, contact, services, and commercial. It's not very optimized for customers who are searching for you guys. Now, if we go take a look at Rescue Plumbing, they're ranking for plumbing, Chicago, park, repair, and rescue. Pop over here to Bathkey Plumbing. They're ranking for plumbing, share, water, service, and installation. And Good Plumbing is ranking for repair, plumbing, installation, water, and commercial. That's all very beatable for you guys. We move on to the second important thing that I want to talk to you about, and we call this the Google Map Pack or the maps. And on these results, we can see the business name, address, and phone number. This is also known as NAPs. Now you're asking yourself, hey Melissa, how do I rank in maps? Well, I'm going to show you how. This is another tool I use. It's called whitespark.ca. You can see that your site has about 40 citations. So you're right on par with your competitors here. Other than Good Plumbing, you have more citations than they do, but I'm going to show you again in a few seconds why they are still outranking you. It's very beatable though, to get more of these citations and get you guys ranking higher here. A citation, simply put, is a word-for-word submission into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, CityStar, and so on. And even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. You can see the citations here that your competition has, and in order to beat your competition and start outranking them, you just simply go grab these citations for yourself and submit your business name, address, and phone number into these directories as well, and you'll start outranking them. And the third thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. And you can see that we searched for Chicago area plumbers, and your site is not number 1. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a plumbing site linking to you, that would be more effective than, say, Pizza Hut linking to you, because, well, you don't sling pizzas for a living. So here I'm going to pop over to this final tool that I use, and you can see that I have you plugged in here. This is called Ahrefs, and it shows that you have 104 backlinks pointing back at you. If we pop over here to Rescue Plumbing, they have 831 backlinks. We'll pop over to Backy Plumbing, they have 1.2 thousand. And pop over to Good Plumbing here, and they have, this is going to go a little bit slow here, of course, they have 1.39 thousand there. It's very beatable over time. You just go and grab the backlinks that your competitors have, and you start submitting and getting those backlinks for yourself. So again, very beatable, but that does take a little bit of time to do that. So back on your page here, in closing, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat the competition by a landslide. And link juice, you need more relative sites pointing to you to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. And now I bet you're wondering what's next. Well, you can either go with this information that I've provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. Or if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 563-551-6354. That's the office. Or you can call my cell at 309-235-9255. Once again, my name is Melissa, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.